Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of the Dutch Supra Club. Today I'm meeting Rick from Get-Rikt Media for a quick photo shoot. He makes all kinds of great car videos, so make sure to check him out. His channel is in the description below. Before I go, I do need to fix the leaking exhaust flanges. When grinding, please wear the correct safety equipment. And make sure the angle grinder isn't plugged in when you're changing discs. To flatten the V-bends, I used a normal cutoff wheel and added a sanding pad on top. This gave me super straight edges, which won't leak anymore. Be careful when using a sideways motion to the grinding wheel to not apply too much pressure on it. I picked up Rick and we drove to the first spot he had in mind in a city nearby. He shot some great footage, which I'll show you once it's ready. When we arrived at the first place, I got out of the car and I stepped on a bolt. It was a bit warm, so I figured it must have come from my car. When driving to the second place, there was a huge vibration when we drove over 50 km/h. I already had a feeling I knew where this bolt was coming from, so let's see. This side seems fine, so let's see the other side. And there we are. I first need to fix this before I can proceed on the car. Thanks for watching and see you next time.